Let me show you how to solve this type of questions. We have 1/3 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 81 square root of 3. Let's go ahead and solve this question. Now here the first step we do is to convert the numbers into indices, that is into powers. Now 1/3, that is 1 over 3, can be expressed as 3 raised to the power of -1 plus 4. This is equal to, again, 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to the power of 4. And the square root of 3 can also be expressed as 3 raised to the power of half. So the square root of 3 is the same as 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now from here, the next thing we do is to add these powers. When you are dealing with exponentials, if you multiply two bases that are the same, you add the powers together. Okay? Let's go ahead and do this. For here, we are going to multiply or distribute the negative sign through. Then we will have 3. -1 multiplied by x is negative x. -1 multiplied by +4 is -4. This is equal to, then as I said, the bases are the same, then we add the powers. That is 4 plus half. So this is just 2 times 4, which is 8 plus 1, 9. This is 9 over 2. So we have 3 raised to the power of 9 over 2. Now because the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. That is, -x minus 4 is equal to 9 over 2. Now, let's make denominator 1 and then cross multiply. That is 2 multiplied by -2 multiplied by -x is -2x, and 2 multiplied by -4 is -8. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 9, that is 9. Now, in the next step, we will move -8 to the right hand side. That gives us -2x is equal to 9 plus 8. That is, -2x is equal to 17. Now, in order to have x on its own, we divide both sides by -2. This cancels out, and then the final value of x is -17 over 2. And this is the final solution to this problem. Thank you for watching.